Let's read muna pala. Write a program that will display it's cold if the temperature is less than 20, it's hot if the temperature is greater than 30, and then cool climate otherwise. It means na kapag equal or greater than 20, and then, wait lang, sige. Okay, sulat ko lang dito, hindi ko siya babaguhin. So, kapag ang temperature is greater than or equal to 20, tsaka kapag ang temperature is less than or equal to 30, it means na cold climate yung ating ipiprint. No? Lalagay natin is cold climate. So, anyways, yun. So, again, so dito, hinihingi is temperature. So, kaya floating point is temperature. Okay lang kahit integer. Ang gusto ko lang, okay, medyo sanay lang ako sa floating point. But anyways, so dito, ipiprint is, so we will ask in this segment kung ano yung temperature. Tapos, I used if else. No? So, if ang temperature is less than 20, ipiprint natin again is it's cold. So, yun. Else, if ang temperature is greater than 30, input ito yun. Tapos, else if temperature is greater. Actually, dapat ito is, narito sa gitna. Kasi 20, para like, medyo kasi less than 20, greater than or equal to 20, and then less than or equal to 30, and then, pero, tawang ko, nagana to so, I guess. Pero, mas maganda na ito is, narito siya, it should be here, dito sa if, dito, sa place niya, para mukha siyang sunod-sunod. But anyways, so kung ang in-input niya is, let's say, string of letters, the input is invalid. So yun. And then, of course, get character and then return. No? Dito, hindi ko na nilagyan ng brackets kasi wala namang nested. Kapag nested if else, doon kayo gagamit ng bracket para masabi nyo sa program kung alin yung if. Basta yun. Ano to? Trial 6. File, open, trial 6. Sige, let's run that. Let's say ang temperature ko is 65. O, diba? It's hot. Sana all hot. Let's try naman na, wait lang, file, open, trial 06. Run. Let's say 19. And it's cold. Tapos, ako, nakatamad na ako sa tunay lang. 310 na. Ayoko na. Hindi na mo binabayaran dito galit. Let's say, ang lagay ko is red. O, diba? What? It's cold? No! Okay, apparently it's a bit broken, I guess. So, dito, I guess, hindi ko sure kung paano siya ayusin. Ay, hindi. Dalang inihing is float. So, kapag hindi float, gets. Sige, sorry.